La 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 la. Making an animal sacrifice is required for pilgrims who have performed the Umrah and Hajj. If you're a pilgrim who has chosen only to perform Hajj by itself, making an animal sacrifice is recommended but not required. La 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 la. This ritual commemorates the faithful devotion to Allah by the Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. The Prophet Ibrahim's faith was tested by Allah when he was commanded to sacrifice his son Ismail. Both father and son were obedient to this command and demonstrated their willingness to make the ultimate sacrifice. Allah spared Ismail by replacing him with a ram. This event is commemorated in the sacrifice that both pilgrims and Muslims around the world perform on this day. For most modern Hajj tour groups, the sacrifice of an animal is paid for in advance and performed on your behalf. You need to get detailed information from your Hajj guide as to when this sacrifice is done. Even though you may not participate in the sacrifice, you should definitely contemplate on the meaning of this important rite. La 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 la.